Hey guys, Donna Hoffman, the Interior Design Advocate, coming to you from the New York Now show, and we're in the Bungalow 5 showroom filled with all kinds of goodies, fun little accent furniture, great lamps and lighting, and we thought it would be a lot of fun to play Stump the Designer so that we could see how many options I could name on a piece of furniture that we know you guys might look at and say, hey, that's kind of interesting, but what do I do with it? So let's talk about the decorative or accent chair. Okay, so great little chair here, Bungalow 5. Katie's going to give me a minute on the imaginary clock, and we're going to see how many options I can name in a minute. My goal is 10, so I could win the big prize, whatever the big prize is. Okay, ready? Katie's giving me that 1 minute. Here we go. Accent chair. You can take 4 of these and use them as a great little surround for your foretop in your kitchen. Why not? Great little dining chair. Or do 6 great little accent chairs as your dining room table chairs. Why not? That's idea number 2. Idea number 3, great little accent chair like this, or something that you find near you would be fantastic in a lady boss office. It's kind of tight on space, and you can just do this at a parson's desk. 4, how about one of these next to a console chest in a foyer? 5, how about 2 of these flanking either side of that same console table? This is a live showroom, guys, so there's a lot of commotion. I'm just going to keep going. 6, how about one of these in a small bedroom in the corner, and it's next to a cute little martini table? Guests should be drinking martinis. Anyway, 7, how about one of these in a large bathroom, guest bath? Why not? If you've got the space for it, a gorgeous little chair, do it. 8, how about, out of time, I just got buzzed. That means I did not get the prize, which is going to be a Starbucks coffee after this, but you won because you got some great ideas. I've got to get out of the showroom. I'm in everybody's way. Divas, we will see you in the next showroom when we do another round of Stump the Designer. Hugs and kisses for now.
Hi, this is Donna. Thanks so much for watching. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and comment below so I know what you think. And don't forget to subscribe to the Interior Design Advocates channel so you don't miss any of our great content.